Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Ardra Solutions. Today we will solve an interesting logarithm problem step by step. If you enjoy math concepts in a simple way, make sure to watch till the end. Here the question is started with a condition which is sum of all these logarithmic terms with base a 1, 2, 3 up to n values equals to 1. Here we need to find the value of the base represented as a. Let's start the solution. Here, since the terms are added here, we use the product rule of logarithm, which is expressed as log base x of m plus log base x of n equals to log base x of m into n. So, the given condition becomes log base a of 1 into 2 into 3 into up to n. Here, which represents the product of n natural numbers. So, which is written as n factorial. So, the given condition is simplified as log base a of n factorial. Since it is given as equals to 1, here we log base a of n factorial equals to 1. Now, converting this logarithmic form to exponential form, which is written as log base a of n equals to x. That implies a to the power x equals to n. Here log base a of n factorial equals to 1 means a to the power 1 equals to n factorial. Thank you. Follow for more.